Here's Amazon FreeVee app, movies and live TV. So pretty cool app and idea from Amazon because yep, this is an app by Amazon, but this is a free app where you can watch movies. So this is not Amazon Prime Video where you need to pay to watch movies. This is like a free version. However, you don't have like top movies which are just released or in cinemas on this app, obviously. But you have a bit more less popular movies or a bit less popular series, TV shows, but it's completely free. There are just a few ads here and there. So, if you want to save a bit on your budget and you don't want to add another subscription, another HBO, another Disney Plus, whatever, you can try out this app. It's called Amazon FreeVee, Movies and Live TV. So try it out. However, there is just one thing, like this app at the moment is only available in United States, Germany, and United Kingdom. It's not available elsewhere. It's not available in India, other European countries, not Canada, as I understand. And if you try to use from those countries, you will see like region unsupported. Hopefully they will release their service to more countries soon. But anyhow, let's just take a look. So here is the app. You will see all like popular titles. As you can see, these are not like top titles right now. But you can find some nice movies from like, some old school movies or some like TV shows and some a bit more niche shows, I would say. But it's all for free. You're just watching ads. Then there are some Amazon originals. Then there are some popular kids movies. So you can use it for kids. And then, as you can see, there are some pretty cool, like there's like Fast and Furious. It's pretty cool. It's safe. So some, there are some movies with well-known actors, but maybe they're a bit older movies, older titles, TV, drama. Then you can just also watch some popular programs, like something around that. And then you can also search for some titles here. And then there is just like a my list where you can just sign in, and there are settings. You can set up like to stream on Wi-Fi only and stuff like that. And to sign in, you need to sign in, I guess, with your Amazon account. As this service is only working in US, UK, and Germany, so maybe you can only sign in with your like US, German, or UK Amazon account. So try that. So yeah, this is just the app, super easy to use, super basic, but it can save you money. If you just want binge watch something, but you don't want us to start another subscription and pay another $10 add to your bill, and then forget to cancel it. This is just a nice app to try out.